Nice word you got there. My mouth still tastes like that. Oh my
Okay. It's off your pants.
I know.
Is that good or more?
Just do that. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay. Oh god, I'm in the crossfire. It's all wet.
Okay.
Yeah, cause I.
Here we go.
Let me get out of the way. See, I almost puked. I'm like, okay, careful. I don't know if I got when it was. You don't want to spit it in there. You're doing it next.
I'm not doing this.
Yes, you are.
I'd rather do the milk challenge.
What is the milk challenge?
You have to drink a whole gallon of milk
Well, we don't have good milk, so.
in less than 60 seconds.
That was horrible.
That was funny because you're like,